Hi guys, now it's the nursery rhyme time. Let's sing along. The name of the song is I've been working on the railroad. Let's begin. I've been working on the railroad
all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad
just to pass the time away.
Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Choo choo! Right up early in the morning.
Can't you hear the captain shouting?
Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Toot toot! Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Running out the whole package. Fee-fi, fiddly-I-yo. Fee-fi, fiddly-I-yo. Oh, fee-fi, fiddly-I-yo.
Now it's story time with Mummy and us. The name of the story is Princess Ballet. Are you guys ready for a story?
Yes.
Okay. So what is a ballet, Hina?
Ballet is a dance that
Ballerinas do.
dance.
It's a special kind of dance that ballerinas do. So the person who dances ballet is called a ballerina.
Its dress is called tutu.
The dress the ballerinas wear is called a tutu. Okay, so let's begin the story.
No, first.
Let me give you a brief summary of the story. The Princess Ballet. When three ballet-loving best friends make a special wish, will it turn into a magical performance? Find out in this tutu-tastic tale full of perfect princesses and beautiful ballerinas. Little dancers everywhere are sure to love the super sweet story where dreams really do come true. Let's begin the story. The Princess Ballet. Once there were three best friends who all loved to practice ballet. Here the spelling of ballet is B-A-L-L-E-T. T is silent. Okay. After spinning, twirling and jumping, they made a wish one day. So there were three best friends. One best friend, two best friends and three best friends. They were three best friends. They loved to practice ballet. They loved this dance. Okay. They used to spin and twirl and jump. And they made a wish one day. What was their wish? How we long for our dream of performing to really come true. They really wished to perform. And where did they wish to perform? And dance in front of princesses in a magical land too. That was their wish. The three best friends wanted to learn ballet and perform it in front of princesses. How nice! Suddenly, the friends got a wonderful surprise as a princess ballet school appeared before their eyes. See, in a flash, their dream came true. Their wish came true. They appeared in a princess ballet school. See, as if their dream has come true. Join us, said the teachers. Point your toes, twirl and sway. Twirling means also spinning, okay? Spinning. So, the teacher was saying, point your toes. That's what ballerinas do. They point their toes. Look at them pointing their toes like this. Okay, they can't see you. And point your toes, twirl and sway. There's a show for two princesses and you will dance in it today. And there is a good news for you. There is a show for two princesses and you will dance in it today. That's what they are going to do. So hi guys, it's quiz time with Mummy and us. So I'm going to ask a series of questions with Ayan and Hina, and if they answer it, they would score 5 points for each answers. So let's begin, Hina. Let's begin, Ayan. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. So Ayan is team A and Hina is team B. So the first question is for team A. How many planets are there in the solar system? Ayan, your turn.
There are 8 planets in our solar system.
8 planets in the solar system. Is the answer correct, Hina?
Yes.
Okay. I heard that there are 9 planets in the solar system. So, why do you say it's 8?
Because years ago,
Years ago?
Pluto became a dwarf planet.
Yeah, now Pluto is a dwarf planet. So, earlier it used to be 9 and now it is 8. So, it's a correct answer. Give clap for Ayan. Second question is yours. Team B. How many oceans are there? How many oceans are there, Hina?
5 oceans are there in our world.
So there are 5 oceans. Ayan, is that the correct answer?
Yes, it's the most correctest thing I ever heard.
Okay, Hina, there are 5 oceans in the world. And can you name them?
Uh-huh.
Tell me.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
Pacific,
Atlantic,
Atlantic, Indian, South and Arctic.
Arctic.
These are the 5 oceans. Very good, Hina. Give clap for Hina. Okay, now the question is for Team A. Your question is, how many continents are there in the world? Ayan, it's your turn.
It's 7.
7 continents in the world. Is it correct, Hina?
Yes.
Yes, 7 is correct answer. So there are 7 continents in the world. Ayan, can you name them with a song?
Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Repeat it. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Very good. Now the question is for Team B. So Hina, answer me. This is about, I'm talking about a famous personality, okay? And I'll give you some clues. He is an Indian, clue number 1. And he studied law in England and practiced in South Africa. And third clue is that he practiced non-violence. And if I tell you the fourth clue, it's very easy. So can you guess it before telling the fourth clue? Do you know
Yes.
who is it?
Gandhiji.
Yes, it is Gandhiji. And the fourth clue I was going to give was, he is also known as the father of nation. So if I tell you that he's also known as the father of nation, it's very easy for you to guess. But Hina guessed it with only these clues. What did I ask, Hina? What did I ask?
You were asking that, telling that he was an Indian.
He's an
and
Indian?
He studied law in England.
Is
and
that-
he practiced it in
South Africa.
And he
practiced
practiced
non-violence. He supported non-violence. Very good, Hina. So it was Gandhiji. And what is Gandhiji's full name?
Karamchand Gandhi.
Mohandas. Say,
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
it's Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Also
He was
known as-
also known as Bapuji, also known as father of nation.
Also known as-
And he is also, he was born on October 2nd.
in India.
In India, Porbandar, Gujarat, India. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on his birthday.
Which is a festival.
Yeah, which is an Indian festival. It's a, what festival it is
National.
called? National Festival.
Of
Correct.
India.
Of India, correct. Now it's Hina's question. And this is about invention. Tell me the scientist who invented the aeroplane.
The Wright brothers.
Very good. It's the
Yes,
Wright
yes,
brothers.
every
It's not one
one.
scientist. There are two of them. Two brothers. Wright brothers. They invented the aeroplane. Very good answer, Hina. Hina and Ayan has scored 25 points each. They have answered everything correctly. And congratulations, Hina and Ayan. And you get this, Hina. And you get this, Ayan.
Yay!
This section is called Introduction to Computers. So here we are going to learn something about computers, and today we will learn some basics. So before knowing what are computers, we should know who is the father of computers. Do you guys have any idea who is the father of computers?
Babbage.
Yeah, he's called Charles Babbage. He is the one who invented the computers. He's known as the father of computers. And before knowing what a computer is, we should know what a machine is. So a machine is a device which makes our work easier and which saves our time. For example, washing clothes with a washing machine and washing clothes with our hand are both different. When you do it with a washing machine, it saves our time, and it also, we don't need to put so much effort, and it saves our time and it makes things easier. So that's the difference between machine and not using machine, right? Okay, so let me tell what a computer is. A computer is actually a smart machine. It's the most smartest of all the machines. And this is how a computer looks.
This is
The
a
screen,
monitor.
the screen is called the monitor.
And
It displays everything. Okay.
it is an output device.
Yeah, it is an output device.
It shows us everything we're doing.
Okay. And what is this one, Hina?
This is the keyboard. It's an input device. We use it to give the instructions to the computer by typing.
Yeah, it has
And
a
the
lot of
letters.
keys, right?
These letters, and this is our mouse. It has 2 buttons. This is the scroll wheel we use to go up, down, and this is the 2 buttons.
Why we use the mouse? What is it? What kind of device is it?
It's an input device where we give the instructions.
Yeah,
Like,
we click or point, right?
yes, like we use this to scroll up and down. This is the left click we use to press,
Select something.
and point.
Point also. Okay.
And this is the right click. We use it to get options. We just point it at somewhere on the monitor, right click, and get all the options about it.
Most important part.
CPU.
The CPU. Our CPU is lying down. It's the, what is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Yeah.
This is the CPU, the brain of the computer. It is
It has the processor in it, right?
Yes, it has the processor. This is the on and off button.
On and off button is on the CPU, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And next we are showing you the speakers.
Speakers, yeah.
There are 2 speakers.
Speakers.
Speaker 1 and speaker 2.
What is the speaker used for?
We use it for hearing.
Yeah, for hearing, for listening to music, anything, for hearing
We can
anything.
Hear anything.
Okay, okay. And what kind of device is a speaker? Input or output?
Output.
It's an output device.
Yeah, we just give the instructions to the
We
keyboard
give
or-
instruction using a microphone. We sing or record using microphone.
Yeah, microphone, keyboard, and the mouse. We give instructions, and the sound will come out to the speaker. And now
What about the web camera?
the web camera. Web camera is a
What kind of device is it? It's an input device, right?
input device.
Yeah, it helps us in capturing the image. If you want to do any video call, video chat,
Video or channel or video or
for taking
photo.
pictures, for taking photos, for
Yeah,
taking
we just
videos.
do it.
You make videos out of it, right?
Yes,
Using the
we
web
just
camera.
need to put it
Show
here.
you how to on the computer.
First, we
Switch on the
this
plug.
switch on the plug.
And then
down to the
there is
CPU.
a button on the CPU, on button.
I showed you, right?
Yeah, on button is there on the CPU. It's on or off. Both are the same
And
button.
then on the mouse.
Yeah, our mouse is like, it's a wireless mouse. It uses battery. It doesn't have any wire, so it's a wireless mouse.
And this is it. The mouse. It has an
On and off button is there,
on
yeah.
and off it. And
On
then
it and on the monitor.
the monitor. And let's see how to off the computer.
First, okay, this is how you
And
on
then
the computer.
It's loading.
Yeah, it's loading. And
And
now
here is the screen.
this is the screen. Yeah, these are the icons in the computer, right?
These are, yeah. And just, you see this? This is Windows.
The Windows button. There's a Windows button.
Yeah, that
there's a
one.
Windows button.
Let's
The mouse
see.
is pointing at the Windows button. And just take the shutdown option from it. Take.
Go to Windows.
Okay, take.
Wait.
Don't.
Then just left click on the Windows. You get these all options.
Okay, now take the shutdown.
This one. We
Power
just
button,
see
power
this
button.
one, right?
Come on, don't
Yes,
waste the
see,
time.
we just press this one, power.
Power button.
And See, we'll get
There's an
these
option
options.
called shut
Sleep,
down.
shut down, and restart. We are shutting down. This is shut down.
Shut down. This is
And
how you
shutting
turn off the
down.
computer.
It's loading. Do not off it yet.
Just
And
wait it
now
for
we can-
wait for the processor.
After the processor is done and the sound is gone, we off this
Monitor
one
button, yeah,
and
and
this.
off the plug. This is how you turn off the computer.
Mouse
And off the
button
mouse
off.
button also.
And look,
The CPU would be already off. Yeah.
by the plug.
Okay.
So that is all for the computer.
Okay.